Welcome to Core While Fasting, where we break down how fasting, training, and recovery work together through discipline and consistency.
Let's talk about something happening inside your body right now that most people have never heard of, yet it may be one of the most powerful survival and healing systems you possess. It is quiet, intelligent, and deeply protective. It is called autophagy.
Autophagy literally means self-eating, but not in a harmful way. It is your body's built-in recycling and renewal system. When your body senses that energy is low and digestion is resting, it begins to clean out damaged cells, broken proteins, and dysfunctional parts, and then reuses their components to build stronger, healthier cells. Think of it as a deep internal house cleaning that removes what is old, weak, and harmful so that new, stronger structures can take their place. This is not a trend. This is ancient biology. This is survival intelligence. And when it is activated, the body begins to heal itself in ways that can truly be life-saving. So, what exactly is autophagy, and why is it so powerful? Autophagy is a cellular process where your body identifies damaged or dysfunctional components, breaks them down, and recycles them for energy and repair. Instead of allowing weak cells to accumulate and create disease, your body intelligently removes them and uses their building blocks to create healthier cells. This process protects you from inflammation, degeneration, metabolic disease, and even premature aging. Now, let's explore 10 amazing benefits of autophagy and why they matter to your health and your life. 1. Cellular detox and deep cleaning. Autophagy removes toxic waste inside your cells, clearing out damaged proteins and malfunctioning structures that would otherwise accumulate and disrupt normal function. This internal detox reduces oxidative stress and cellular clutter, allowing your tissues to function more efficiently and resiliently. 2. Protection against chronic diseases. Many chronic illnesses begin with cellular damage and inflammation. Autophagy helps prevent this by removing dysfunctional cells before they can become harmful, lowering the risk of conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. 3. Cancer defense mechanism. Autophagy helps identify and eliminate abnormal cells before they multiply. By clearing out damaged DNA and unstable cellular components, it reduces the chance of uncontrolled cell growth and supports the body's natural tumor suppression systems. 4. Brain health and mental clarity. The brain is highly sensitive to waste buildup. Autophagy clears toxic proteins associated with cognitive decline and supports the regeneration of healthy neural structures, enhancing focus, memory, and long-term brain resilience. 5. Stronger immune system. Autophagy strengthens immunity by removing infected or dysfunctional cells and helping immune cells function more efficiently. It allows the body to respond faster and more effectively to viruses, bacteria, and inflammation. 6. Anti-aging and longevity support. By recycling damaged components and promoting cellular renewal, autophagy slows biological aging. It keeps tissues younger, more elastic, and more functional, supporting longevity at the cellular level. 7. Improved metabolic efficiency. Autophagy helps regulate blood sugar, insulin sensitivity, and fat metabolism. It allows your body to switch smoothly between fuel sources and maintain metabolic flexibility, which is essential for long-term health. 8. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many diseases. Autophagy calms inflammatory pathways by clearing damaged mitochondria and cellular debris that trigger immune overreaction. 9.
muscle preservation and repair. Contrary to fear, autophagy helps preserve muscle quality by removing damaged fibers and supporting regeneration, making muscles stronger and more efficient over time.
And to the last, but not the least, we have survival and adaptation mechanism. Autophagy is the reason the human body can survive periods of low food availability. It allows the body to recycle its own components for energy while protecting vital tissues, demonstrating the incredible intelligence of human biology. Hey guys! What makes autophagy so remarkable is not just its benefits, but what it represents, which is so profound. It shows that your body was designed with self-healing, self-renewal, and self-preservation built into its very cells. You are not fragile by design. You are adaptive. You are resilient. You are capable of deep internal restoration when the conditions allow it. Truly impeccable, right? Best believe autophagy is not magic, okay? It is biology. It is your body's way of saying, you know what? I know how to repair. I sure do know how to cleanse, and I know how to rebuild. Sounds interesting. And guess what? The most fascinating part is this. When autophagy is activated, the body does not just survive. It becomes stronger, clearer, and more efficient. I am actually swimming in excitement just by being aware of this. How about you? Let me know in the comment section below. We can also explore together how this powerful process is activated and how lifestyle choices can support it in our next lesson. If this sounds like something you look forward to, comment autophagy. But for now, let's simply understand this. Within you and I exists a system designed to protect our lives, renew our cells, and restore balance. That system is autophagy. Like this video if you enjoyed it and learned something new. Subscribe for more guided lessons on fasting, health, and inner healing. Till next time, fast, train, recover.